Hi everyone, I'm Marie with Southern Country Living. Hope everyone's having a great
Hey
day.
everyone, I'm Calvin with Southern Country Living, and I'm here with Marie. And so we're going to be doing our Sunday chat this week from here in the hospital room.
Yes, this is the last place we wanted to do it at.
And I think this is going to be our Sunday chat for November the 30th of 2025. And we are totally unprepared. We're just going to try to put this together. It's not going to be a very fancy Sunday chat, but we've been here. Today is day number 6 that Marie's been in the hospital. And Marie, hold your arms up. She's got an IV that goes into this arm, and she's got an IV that goes into the other arm. And because Marie is hard to stick, she has been stuck so many times, and she's had 2 or 3 of the IVs that have quit working, and they had to re-stick her. So that in itself has been an ordeal, hasn't it, Marie?
It really has.
Yeah, it's been an ordeal. And then she had an abscess that was in her abdomen, pelvic area, and that abscess had caused a large buildup of fluid. So they did do the procedure, and some of them call it a surgery, some of them just says it's a procedure. But however it was, they did not have to put her to sleep, but they gave her something that made her very drowsy and almost asleep.
Yes, and the pain was the most, it was horrendous. But anyway, the people that did it, they were so professional. They did such a good job, and they calmed me down. And I mean, it really hurt. I did holler just a little bit, but not like you do when you have a baby or anything like that. But it was some bad pain where they put the drainage tube in. But I'm doing better. My nausea is under control right now, and I'm eating better. And I'm ready to go home in my eyes, but not in the doctor's eyes.
Yeah.
So they just got to get rid of this infection that built up inside of me, and then I can go home.
Yeah, she is taking a very strong antibiotic, and she's actually taken 2 different antibiotics, I believe. But anyway,
They're trying to keep me from getting septic.
yes, and she was very close to being septic. The doctor, when he came in this morning, now this is Saturday, but it's afternoon. It's about 15 after 1 right now. And when the doctor came in this morning, he did say that he would do another CT scan on her in a couple of more days to see if the abscess has started shrinking and going down.
Yeah.
And so hopefully if it goes down, everything's going to be good, and they will pull the drainage tube out once that abscess gets small enough that he feels confident that they won't have a problem with it again. So he said that we're looking at several more days before Marie gets to go home. So we'll just keep you in touch with us, and we'll keep you updated.
I missed Thanksgiving, but I still enjoyed it because I got to see my family on FaceTime.
Yes, and they sent us some videos from
And
the
also some
Thanksgiving
dinner.
and the food, didn't they?
Yes.
So I tell you what I'll do.
But I wasn't able to eat the food, not even to look at the food at that particular time. But anyway, I'm getting my appetite back, so that's a good thing.
That is a good thing. And what I'll do toward the end of the video or somewhere in here, I'll mix in some of those clips that they sent us from the Thanksgiving dinner and let you see what we seen and what we missed.
And I'm sorry that I'm not going to get to do the devotional today, but y'all still please remember to pray for the people in the Purple Prayer Book.
Yes, amen on that. And we do have some cards that's at the house, and we'll have to just make all that up in the next week or 2. And I was planning on putting pictures at the end of the video of people's Christmas decorations, and I do have several pictures that's been sent to us, and I'm going to be using our laptop that I can edit on it, but it's very slow, and I'll be using the internet here at the hospital. So it may be difficult for me to put everything on it, but I'll do the best I can. So if you don't see Christmas pictures at the end of the video, we'll get them next week. And once you get your decorations done, if you want to share them with us, send them to our email address, and I will put that at the very end of the video. No, I'm going to put it in the description of the video. And if I can, I'll write it right here so you can see it here.
Okay.
And Marie, I know you're tired, hon. And I'm definitely tired too. I have been here with Marie since the minute she came in. I stay here with her 24 hours a day, with the exception I leave either early in the morning and run home and clean up, or either I go late in the evening, run home and clean up. But I usually only stay gone less than an hour and just get right back real quick, don't we?
Yes.
Now, one of the biggest problems since Marie has just in the last day has got to the point that she can eat better foods instead of just liquids.
Mm-hmm.
And so they brought her some food in here last night that was just pitiful. And so we didn't explain to them, but with the way Marie cooks and the way her quality of her food is, it's hard for her to endure that kind of food, isn't it, Marie?
Well, you know, there's this hospital used to have very good food, but I don't know. Things changed, and so it's hard to get used to hospital food. Sometimes it's a hit and miss thing. You'll have something good, and sometimes it'll be horrible.
Yeah, so Marie told me yesterday evening after they had brought that supper, and she took one bite of everything. They brought her cheesy grits for supper. They brought her spinach, and then they brought her tofu. And she took one bite of all of it, and she had to spit out the tofu and the spinach because it was that bad. And so she looked at me and she said, Calvin, she said, would you mind driving up to Arby's? And said, I'd love to have an Arby's sandwich. So that's what she got. She got an Arby's sandwich, and she got some curly fries and a strawberry lemonade.
Yes, but Arby's is just around the corner here at the hospital, so he didn't have to go far.
Oh, I could probably just about walk up there as quick as I drove up there. But I got me an Arby's sandwich also, and I took all the meat out of it and just ate the meat and enjoyed it, and I didn't eat the bread.
Because he's gluten intolerant.
Yes.
Is that the right way to say that?
And so this morning, before they ever brought breakfast up here, actually I told Marie last night, probably about 12 o'clock, I said, Marie, I said, tomorrow morning, would you like to have a breakfast from down at the cafeteria? And because I was planning on getting me one there. And she said, yeah, I want one of their breakfasts. So this morning I got her biscuits and gravy and bacon and orange juice. And you enjoyed that, didn't you?
Yes.
And so anyway, we may have to do a little different eating until she gets out of here. But the more that she can eat real food, I feel like the better she'll get strength.
Yeah. They're having to give me a lot of potassium and stuff like that. And
Yes.
magnesium and that
Yeah.
kind of stuff.
The nurse said that because they were giving her so much of the IV fluids, that it was causing her electrolytes to be off a little bit.
Yeah.
And we're not going into details and explain to you exactly what caused all this and how this happened and all the details, but just take my word for it. She has had a rough time with this, and she's still got a rough time to go. We're praying that this abscess will heal enough that she'll be okay without having to have a big surgery to go in there and actually cut it out. And because the doctor, his own self, said he did not want to do that, but that
I
would-
just like the word right now. The word isn't. It's not cancer, so that's good.
that's the best part.
Right.
Okay, so our little granddaughter Kim, she called just a few minutes ago, and she's on the way coming up here to visit with us. And it's been real nice having our family come by and stop by and visit, hasn't it, Marie?
Yeah, they asked us if we want any food or need any food, and they will bring us food, so that's nice too.
They've been bringing us some good food, haven't they?
Yeah.
We've been enjoying that. Okay, Marie, this is just a quick, it's sort of like an update video. It's not like our regular Sunday chats, but we just as soon as we get back home and just as soon as we can, we'll do Sunday chats like we normally do, won't we?
Right.
But we appreciate everyone's prayers. I've been posting the updates in the community post, and a lot of you have seen them, and I have not had time to reply to everybody's comments, so I went through and gave everybody a heart. But there was a couple of comments that I felt like I needed to reply to them. I read them, so I replied to those. And one of them in particular, I pinned it to the top so that if you read comments when you read the first one, you would see it. And so y'all bear with me. Just as soon as we get away from the hospital and get to where we can, I'll go back to replying to everybody's comments. You would think that I'm up here that I don't have anything to do but sit in this chair here, but that's not how it works out. The way it works out is I stay constantly busy because I want to help Marie as much as I can. And when she needs something, we get it as soon as we can. Our little granddaughter, Kim, just walked in. Kim, come on that side and tell everybody, hey, we're on YouTube right now.
Hey, everyone.
Yeah, I know y'all missing Kim. Everybody's always asking, where you at, Kim?
Here I am.
But Kim has said that in the future, at some point, she'll try to get back to doing videos. But right now, her two little daughters just keep her busy. Those
Yes,
little girls,
nonstop.
they're very active, aren't they, Kim?
They are for sure.
Yeah.
Absolutely.
Okay, Marie, we'll go ahead and close this video out. We're going to enjoy some time with our granddaughter, Kim. And y'all have a wonderful day. And we will see you on our next video. And be watching for our community post because I'll update on them when I can.
Okay, so y'all do what you love and love what you do. And we'll see you on the next video. And y'all have a great day. Bye.
Bye.
Christmas is just around the corner, coming up just around the bend. Holiday couldn't be here sooner.
She does the good
Holiday for family and friends.
I'm doing something right now.
And we've got pine tree, pine cone, evergreen, mistletoe, candy cane, Santa Claus, a gingerbread woman and a gingerbread man in a gingerbread house and all. Christmas is just around the corner, coming up just around the bend. Christmas is just around the corner.
Hi, Toby. Hi. Amy, can you say Happy Thanksgiving? Happy Thanksgiving, Papa Nana. Happy Thanksgiving, Papa Nana. Here, Kristen and Chris, y'all get together.
Happy Thanksgiving, Mom and Dad. We love you. Miss you very much. Happy Thanksgiving, Papa and Nana. We miss y'all. Love ya.
Happy Thanksgiving.
We love you guys and we miss you. Can you say Happy Thanksgiving? No.
Happy Thanksgiving, Papa and Nana. I love y'all so much.
Happy Thanksgiving.
Papa and Nana. We love you. We miss you.
Wish you were here.
Happy Thanksgiving, Papa Nana. Love you, miss you.
Happy Thanksgiving, Marie and Calvin. We love you and we hope you're feeling better real soon.
Happy Thanksgiving.
Green mistletoe, candy cane, Santa Claus, a gingerbread woman and a gingerbread man in a gingerbread house and all. Christmas is just around the corner, coming up just around the bend. Look, here comes a holiday for family and friends. Christmas coming just around the Christmas coming just around. Christmas coming just around the bend. come home to. Yes, I am on my way. We'll put our differences aside and just enjoy this moment of peace and love and happiness. We come together to celebrate. Yes, every time the snow is falling down and it is cold outside, we gather around the fireplace and no one cares about yesterday. My favorite holiday, it means so much more than words can say. And I claim that Christmas is a magic day. Sometimes I tend to forget what glory this holiday represents. But it's fair to say that Christmas is a magic day. Yes, every time the snow is falling.
Okay. Well, maybe they'll pick back up soon.
Hey, Marie, you've been in my prayers, girl. You're going to have to hurry up and get well so we can sing it more on YouTube. We miss y'all. I love you, girl. Hope you feel better.